Well, they're making more progress already on the haunted house area. Probably because Michelle and I were up checking it out earlier. Like, hey, push them back. But now they have the whole smoking area blocked off and it's tarped off with garbage bags. So you can't see, oh, stop that. It's not Fright Fest yet. But you can see that part. And we'll go around these buildings here and then you can see there's a little more of it back there. You think you're funny trying to scare me? Yeah? Just wait till Fright Fest. You are a target. I'll make sure of it.
I probably am.
Yeah, I think so. I'd say that would be safe to say. And over down here this way, then you can see the other side of the haunt. Well, you can't really see it because it's all covered up and covered off, but that's pretty cool. Can't wait to see how it is and what the theme is.
Come on! Come on! Yeah, here we go. Come on. Let me zoom in a little bit. One time for the oh. Yeah. They come.